Cypress Semiconductor PSoC 64 Standard Secure AWS Wi-Fi BT Pioneer Kit is a low-cost development platform for creating IoT applications using the Amazon Web Services cloud platform. The kit is based on the PSoC 64 Standard Secure AWS MCU, which includes a 150 MHz ARM Cortex-M4 for the non-secure processing environment and a 100 MHz ARM Cortex-M0 Plus pre-configured with a root of trust and secure processing environment running trusted firmware M. The MCU is FreeRTOS qualified and designed to work seamlessly with the AWS IoT core. The kit also includes a Murata Type 1DX module based on the Cypress CYW4343W single-chip solution for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The kit includes a KitProg 3 programmer debugger, 512 megabits of quad-SPI NOR flash, Arduino Uno R3 headers for hardware expansion, a CapSense slider and buttons, and additional hardware for application versatility.